Are you troubled by issues like saw blocks being too brittle or lacking sufficient hardness? And I think it's time for you to upgrade your large-scale tablet press. Hello everyone, this is Katie from Rich Packing. We always have great solutions to tackle your challenges. Come with me. Now let's take a closer look at our ZP2070. Check out the perfectly pressed saw blocks we produce. Our ZP2070 tablet press is equipped with industrial-grade pressure, 150 kilonewtons for pre-compression and 400 kilonewtons for mean compression. To give you an analogy, the pressure of an ordinary tablet press is like a small fist, while the ZP2070 delivers the force like a huge hammer. Look at the saw blocks we produce. Their hardness and friability fully comply with NSF, DIN, and EN 973 standards. Moreover, because salt is prone to deliquescence in humid environments and grains tend to clump, our ZP2070 tablet press adopts a fully enclosed double-layer triple-paddle forced feeder that blocks air exposure and effectively reduces salt caking. You're probably aware that pressing highly corrosive materials like saw blocks or disinfectant tablets, it can easily corrode the dies and the turntable. Don't worry. The parts of the ZP2070 tablet press that contact the material are made of chrome-plated material, offering durability, wear resistance, and corrosion protection, with a surface life of up to 3 years without failure. Additionally, the punches are removable, allowing you to switch between different tablet shapes simply by changing the punches. The whole process takes only 20 minutes, saving both time and money on maintenance. The machine can press detergent tablets, dishwasher tablets, and edible saw blocks. The structure is uniquely designed. Key components are the press roller, turbine housing, one gear, and the motor. The motor is customized specifically for this purpose. Here's what we can provide: a total of 600 kilonewtons high pressure to conquer hard-to-press materials and a fully enclosed force feeder. You see, choosing the right machine means choosing reliable productivity. Worldwide shipping, tailor-made solutions. We're Rich Packing. Contact us.